Organizers in Arizona say they have enough signatures to add a measure on abortion rights to the November ballot. Arizona for Abortion Access said that it has more than 500,000 signatures in support of adding an amendment to enshrine the right to abortion in the state's constitution. That is nearly 100,000 more signatures than what's required. Arizona currently has a 15-week abortion ban in place. So CBS News campaign reporter Shawna Mizelle is joining us now to talk a little bit more about this. So Shawna, thanks for joining us. Let's just start with the basics on this ballot initiative. What protections would this measure put in place?
Anne Marie, good morning. So this ballot measure that they're hoping to send to voters this November would, like you said, enshrine the right to an abortion in the state's constitution. So this would amend the Arizona state constitution, and it's pretty similar to what we saw in Ohio last November, but it differs from that Ohio ballot measure because that Ohio measure was more focused on reproductive rights as a whole. This specifically focuses on protecting the right to an abortion and prohibiting any state law from passing that would infringe on that right.
Okay, so right now, Arizona for Abortion Access says they have enough signatures to put this on the ballot. What legal challenges could the organization face, though?
So they haven't turned in the signatures yet. They said they plan on doing that in a couple of months, more closer to the deadline in July. But legal challenges could arise if anyone decides to challenge the validity of the signatures or the constitutionality of this ballot measure.
So, as you know, it's an election year, which means all roads lead back to the battle for the White House, including abortion, which is a hot topic that Democrats want their voters to focus on. So I imagine there are wider implications beyond Arizona when it comes to this ballot measure and perhaps similar measures, in other states.
Absolutely. So we know that abortion has been a winning issue every time it's been on the ballot since Roe versus Wade was overturned and the issue was handed back to the states. Democrats, particularly Joe Biden, are really hinging their campaigns on that. That's underscored by the fact that you saw the president and the vice president visit the state of Arizona, both within the last month, and you even had Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer in Phoenix last night talking about abortion rights, and she's been a big part of the Biden-Harris re-election campaign.
All right, so if you're going to vote and you see that topic, also on the ballot, it may make you think about how you're voting. Shawna, it's really interesting. Thank you so much.
Thank you.